because I equal fun.
Karp Media.
Here we are, the famous RedFrog Beach, Bocas del Toro, Panama. You cannot get a better day than this. This place is absolutely gorgeous. It's as picturesque as it gets. The whole process of getting here, between the boat ride and the walk down to the beach, is just incredible. I'm going to show it to you. We're going to have an absolute blast. We're even going to see some red frogs too. So let's get into it. Vamos. We're headed to RedFrog Beach on a lancha. Ready, baby? Vamos. We are now entering the mangrove maze of RedFrog Beach. Here we are heading to RedFrog Beach. This is an awesome nature walk through the jungle on Bastamentos Island. About a 10-minute walk. You can't get better than this. Check it out. That's what you call a caiman right there, man. I got a good zoom, don't worry. Yeah, he's like, I'm coming for you. Sun gets the best of you and you want to get a nice drink or something, pop on into one of the 3 bars that line RedFrog Beach and enjoy yourself. It's very calm, laid back, swing, hammock, play some cornhole, listen to some good music, have some good food, relax, and then go back and jump in the ocean some more. I mean, seriously, do everything on repeat. That's what it's all about. If you want to see red frogs at RedFrog Beach, it could be challenging. Unless you find a local kid, give him $1 or $2, he'll show you right where they're at within seconds. Which means you're walking amongst them. You just need to know what to look for.
Yo tengo 11 años.
11 años. Just to give you an idea how small these things are.
Y esos lagartos que hay en ese cuando veníamos de la lancha, cogimos un camino ¿Y tú qué más puedes ver en estos
That's what makes all of this worth it. Get to talk with local little kids, give them $1 or two. It paints a smile on their face bigger than anything you've ever seen. And you got to see some red frogs. You helped the little kid out. That's what it's all about for me. Bocas del Toro, RedFrog Beach. You can't get any better. So that is a wrap on RedFrog Beach. You cannot get a better day than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Karp Media. Let's go on an adventure together. I shall see you soon. Ciao. Psh.